Plant Insulation Company was an insulation contracting and distribution company that was founded in 1948. Working with insulation does not necessarily cause asbestos exposure unless the insulation used was asbestos-containing, as was the case here. The company had a long-standing contract with industry giant Fiberboard Company, selling popular thermal insulation and pipe covering products like Caltemp and Padco. Some other types of asbestos insulation that Plant Insulation employees would have worked with are wallboard, loose-fill insulation, and even spray-on insulation. When Fiberboard stopped using asbestos in its products in the early 1970s, Plant Insulation employees continued to work at locations where they removed or repaired pre-existing materials that contained asbestos. According to documents filed by the company, there are over 200 job sites where workers could have been exposed to asbestos products installed or sold by Plant Insulation Company. In 2009, it filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in the Northern District of California, citing between $500 million and $1 billion in asbestos debt. The Plant Asbestos Settlement Trust, or PAST, was founded in 2013 with around $130 million in funding. According to the 2022 annual financial report filed by the trust, it paid a little over $6 million in compensation for claims. 193 claims were settled in 2022 out of the 293 claims that were filed. The current payment percentage for claims has been raised to 16.5%. Each trust evaluates claims differently and assigns valuations to the different asbestos injuries. The payment percentage is applied to the value set by the trust to determine the amount of compensation given. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.